Palantir caught the eyes of everyone today. It continues to surprise us all every single day. However, analysts dropped their critical signals. People are speculating. Crazy price prediction is leaked. Massive $5 billion project is here. Palantir architect just dropped a huge bombshell. It's a total game changer. What is happening? And what on earth am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Palantir is absolutely on fire today. After days of crashing, the stock has made a dramatic comeback. It surged to an impressive $71 before finally settling at $69, leaving investors buzzing with excitement. One Twitter analyst summed it up perfectly in a tweet that caught everyone's attention. They said, "Palantir doesn't stay oversold for long," and honestly, that really says it all. It looks like the rally is officially back on, and the energy around it is electric. This comeback is a breath of fresh air for Palantir fans, proving the stock's resilience once again. However, here's the catch. Another analyst on Twitter pointed out something super important about this move. They explained that Palantir is at a really critical turning point right now. The stock is testing an important Fibonacci level, sitting right around that $69 mark. Here's what it means. If the bulls can take control and turn this level into solid support, it could mean good things ahead. But if the bears win and the stock gets rejected, we might be looking at a drop back toward $45. This makes today's rally even more intriguing. Palantir is standing at a crossroads, and what happens next could set the tone for its near future. Right now, it's all about who takes charge, bulls or bears. And that's what investors are keeping a close eye on. This wild price action has sparked all kinds of reactions from the community. Some hilarious, some grateful, and some downright confused. One user joked about their frustration with the rally, tweeting, "All the bears promised me $40 Palantir, and I was ready to buy. What's up with this $70 nonsense?" You can feel the mix of disappointment and humor in their words. On the other hand, another user decided to thank Kathy Wood for what they saw as an accidental assist. They tweeted, "Really appreciate Kathy Ode for selling Palantir and triggering a bottom. It's a cheeky nod to the timing of her sale and how it seemed to mark the stock's turnaround." This kind of chatter really captures the state of Palantir right now. Volatile, unpredictable, and full of emotions. Everyone's watching closely, debating whether this is the start of a massive bull run or just a temporary spike. It's a roller coaster, and the reactions show just how much this stock gets under people's skin. Palantir's comeback is still on shaky ground, but moments like this are what make the story so fascinating. Now, circling back, if this price movement really gains momentum and turns even more bullish, could this finally be the rally we've been dreaming of? Does this mean we're about to recover everything we've lost? But here's the crazy part. Palantir just dropped a bombshell of a leak about a potential investment in a drone startup with a jaw-dropping $5 billion valuation. According to reports, Palantir Technologies Inc. is in talks to invest in Shield AI, a company that's set to almost double its valuation in a fresh fundraising round. This news was revealed by The Information on Friday, citing insider sources. This potential investment perfectly lines up with Palantir's strategy of doubling down on artificial intelligence, particularly in the defense sector. Shield AI focuses on cutting-edge autonomous drone technology, which could give Palantir an even bigger edge in developing advanced AI tools for military applications. As of now, Palantir hasn't made any public statements about the talks, and details about the investment are still under wraps. But this leak is already turning heads, sparking fresh excitement about the company's vision and its willingness to play big. For Palantir, this news adds a layer of intrigue to its recent price action. It suggests there's more happening behind the scenes that could redefine its long-term value. Pairing this potential investment with the stock's current volatility, it feels like Palantir is gearing up for something bigger. Whether this rally is just the beginning or another tease, one thing is clear: it's getting harder to look away. This is massive because, as we all know, Palantir has been pouring everything it has into protecting nations from potential foreign threats. One Twitter analyst broke it down beautifully, highlighting how Palantir's AI has been making waves in protecting the Baltic Sea from sabotage. A report in The Telegraph mentioned how companies like Palantir are at the forefront of using machine learning systems connected to advanced language models to analyze and make sense of vast amounts of maritime data. It's a tough job, monitoring immense areas, spotting hidden, dark fleet ships, dealing with outdated tracking systems, and piecing together data from different countries. And let's not forget the challenge of separating suspicious activities from routine ones, all while navigating the maze of international maritime law. This is where Palantir shines. They've teamed up with NATO and the UK-led Jeff nations to create something called Nordic Warden, a groundbreaking control panel that keeps a watchful eye on the seas. It flags potential threats before they escalate and helps secure critical underwater infrastructure, like cables and pipelines, that are crucial for everything from national security to keeping Wall Street running smoothly. Protecting these assets isn't just important, it's absolutely vital for modern society. It's clear that Palantir isn't just about stock prices or market hype. It's building solutions that are shaping the future of global security and defense. This kind of real-world impact is exactly what keeps Palantir relevant, even as its stock remains unpredictable. It's moments like this that remind us why Palantir holds so much potential, and why it's a company people just can't stop watching. With all the bullish news surrounding Palantir, people are absolutely going crazy. Speculation is at an all-time high about where the stock might go, and what kind of impact this could have. One analyst even went as far as saying that Palantir's price point at $71 is a golden opportunity to create generational wealth. It's wild, right? Now, here's the craziest part. Remember that prediction from one of the institutional investors that we talked about before? They said Palantir could soar to $135 soon. To remind you, the tweet from Main Street Research had this bold statement: AI winner of 2024, Palantir will come out in wider and bigger profit margins in 2025. And that's why the stock really got off the floor in the middle of 2024 and may very well outperform even the semiconductor sector in 2025. It's a huge claim, but the more you think about it, the more it starts to make sense. Now, looking at how Palantir is locking in massive partnerships, and with the Q4 earnings report just around the corner, it's natural to wonder, could this prediction finally come true? Could this be the beginning of the generational wealth the other analyst was talking about? It's still a bit uncertain, but you can't ignore the excitement building around it. This is the kind of energy that has investors and the community buzzing with anticipation. One thing we can say for sure is that Palantir isn't going anywhere. With Donald Trump set to take office again soon, and his previous promises to give AI a significant role in his administration, Palantir will be right at the heart of it all. The company's expertise in AI and data-driven solutions is exactly what the government will be looking for, and it puts Palantir front and center on the global stage. So while we're still riding this roller coaster of price movements and speculation, one thing's clear: Palantir is here to stay. And if these predictions are right, we might just be witnessing the start of something huge. Just like one of Palantir's architects recently shared, Palantir's AI platform is all about efficiency. He explained that Palantir's end-to-end AI system lets organizations move at the speed of operations, without wasting precious time trying to piece together a complex architecture. It's a game changer, allowing companies to focus on their missions and goals instead of getting bogged down in the technical details. This approach is exactly why Palantir has been able to maintain its edge in both the tech and defense sectors. Its AI capabilities don't just improve operations, they supercharge them, making it easier for organizations to make smarter, faster decisions. And this is what investors are excited about: Palantir's ability to scale its solutions, meet urgent needs, and adapt to a rapidly changing world. Looking at the future, it's easy to see how Palantir's technology will continue to have a profound impact, not just for businesses, but for global security, defense, and innovation. As governments and private sectors alike rely more on AI to solve complex problems, Palantir is positioning itself as a leader in the field. Investors who see the potential in this are betting that Palantir will continue to grow and adapt, playing a central role in shaping the future of industries, economies, and even the safety of nations. In the grand scheme of things, Palantir's vision and technology could very well change how the world operates. It's not just about the stock price. It's about being part of something bigger that has the potential to impact everything from business to geopolitics. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Palantir update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.
New all-time high is on the horizon. How does that sound? I am pretty sure just one thought of it makes you excited. But what if I told you that there's a potential to triple the expectations? The Shiba Inu would literally explode in price. But recent discovery proves that it actually might be more than possible. And all of this because of one little detail we haven't been paying attention to. What a shame. But what is it about? And why should we be excited? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. In the past 7 days, more than 17 trillion Shiba Inu tokens have been moved, catching everyone's attention due to the significant increase in volatility. This massive movement is like a tidal wave in the world of cryptocurrency. To put it into perspective, 17 trillion tokens represent a huge portion of Shiba Inu's circulating supply, making this activity impossible to ignore. Such a large transfer of tokens often raises eyebrows because it can signal that the Shiba Inu is in a good place. What if it's not? Well, let me explain. A big shift in the market. When so much of a cryptocurrency is moved in a short period, it usually means that something big is happening behind the scenes. This could be anything from large holders or whales making strategic moves to potential changes in the market sentiment. With on-chain activity surging like this, many people are hopeful that a bullish trend might be on the horizon for Shiba Inu in the upcoming week. Recently, Shiba Inu's price has shown significant volatility, with charts indicating regular testing of support and resistance levels. This pattern suggests that Shiba Inu is in a consolidation phase, which means it's gathering momentum before making a significant move. This behavior makes people feel that a crucial shift is about to happen. It's like watching a calm before the storm. Everything is quiet, but you can sense that something big is on the way. Imagine standing by the shore and noticing the waves getting stronger and more frequent. You know a big wave is coming, but you can't tell exactly when or how powerful it will be. Investors are in a similar situation, feeling the anticipation and preparing for Shiba Inu to make its next big move. But here's something interesting. Even though 17 trillion Shiba Inu tokens were moved in the last 7 days, the price doesn't reflect this activity. In fact, Shiba Inu's price is down by 7% during the same period. This contradiction has people scratching their heads. Normally, such a large movement of tokens would be expected to have a significant impact on the price. When this much activity is happening, it's a good sign that Shiba Inu is going to have a significant impact on the price, especially with high trading volumes. Prices usually go up or down more dramatically. But seeing a 7% drop instead of a rise or a major change is puzzling to many investors. This situation leaves people wondering what's going on behind the scenes. They question whether this massive transfer is a strategic move by big players, or if there are other factors at play that aren't immediately visible. It's like expecting a big gig. Wave to hit the shore after seeing the tide rise, but then the water suddenly calms down in a second. Instead, this unexpected turn of events keeps everyone guessing about what might happen next. One of the factors that might have contributed to this unexpected price drop is the rising rumors and negativity towards the Shiba Inu development team. You might remember that they launched a lot of projects back in the day. But now, with no recent updates, people are losing hope and faith in the team. This happens because in the crypto world, trust and confidence play a huge role. When a team launches new projects, it creates excitement and optimism. But when there are no updates or progress reports, investors start to worry. They begin to doubt whether the team can deliver on their promises. And this doubt can lead to selling off their tokens, driving the price down. From an ethical point of view, it's understandable why people feel this way. They invested their money based on the promise of future developments. When those developments don't happen or aren't communicated, it feels like a broken promise. Transparency and consistent communication from the development team are crucial to maintaining trust. Without it, rumors and negativity can easily spread, causing further damage to the project's reputation and value. And one of the projects at the center of the hate and discussions was Shiba Inu's Metaverse project. The last major update for the project came in March 2024, when Lucy shared a sneak peek into the progress made on Shiba Inu Metaverse. Since then, the community hasn't received many updates about the project. This lack of information stirred speculation that the team might have forgotten about the Metaverse project. With growing concerns about the lack of updates, Shiba Inu's marketing lead, Lucy, addressed the issue in a Twitter post today. According to Lucy, the less information disclosed about the Metaverse project now, the more impactful the next revelation will be when it's unveiled. And this approach actually quite makes sense. By keeping details under wraps, the team can build anticipation and ensure that when they do reveal new information, it has a bigger impact. Tactic often used to create suspense and excitement, making the eventual announcement feel like a significant event rather than just another update. Lucy ended her tweet with the phrase, "This suggests that even though the team hasn't shared any updates about Shiba Inu Metaverse, they are actively working on it behind the scenes." This is reassuring for investors and supporters who have been worried about the project's future. Hearing this is good news because it restores some confidence. It shows that the team is aware of the community's concerns and is strategically planning their next move. This kind of communication is a good thing. This kind of communication helps to rebuild trust and can reinvigorate interest in the project, potentially leading to positive movements in the token's value. In addition, Lucy has often taken to the X social media platform to address the Shiba Inu community about those spreading fear, uncertainty, and doubt about Shiba Inu and its developer team. Instead of suggesting a confrontational approach, Lucy proposes a peaceful and calm solution. In her tweets, Lucy advises the global Shiba Inu army on how to react to FUD and those who are interested in Shiba Inu. Attacking Shiba Inu. Her advice is simple: do nothing. Let the fudders be, she recommends. Don't let them get to you. Be yourself. Choose positivity and positive things will happen. She also shared her personal approach, saying, "I simply forget they exist and leave them to their fate." This advice encourages the community to stay focused on their goals and not be distracted by negativity, promoting a positive and constructive atmosphere within the Shiba Inu community. And it looks like this approach has worked. The hate seems to have stopped, and Shiba Inu has stopped falling in price. As of now, it appears to be pretty stable, with the price remaining flat over the last 24 hours.